Hey garden lovers, well, I'm excited to share this. I did not think it would work, but I'm always experimenting, and I guess you can say I'm kind of a lazy gardener. I'm always looking for ways to grow food with the least amount of effort as possible. For a while there I had a corporate job and we were growing food all over the place, but it was plant stuff, whatever made it did, because I didn't have time to manage it. Now I do, but I'm still experimenting. And before, when I tried to grow radishes in a bunch, basically what triggered me to try it was Charles Dowding grows his beets in a little bunch, and I thought, hey, radishes should be able to do that. And I tried it and it didn't work, but I think I just had the wrong soil, because I tried it again and look at these guys. Didn't thin any of them. Sprinkled some seeds. This is a heat tolerant variety, so we're going to be trialing or starting a trial, a heat tolerant radish trial any day now, because we're coming into the heat. We're basically mid 80s, low 90s, probably for the next several months, and we'll even go into the upper 90s and hundreds. So anyway, gonna start our heat tolerant radish trial, and there's some great varieties. We'll see how they perform, but look at these guys, just sprinkled seeds and moved on. Didn't thin them out. That's just, there's too much going on around here, so things like this happen all the time. And to my surprise, they bulbed out and they did great. Let's pull a couple. So I think this is sorrel, and look at that beauty. Didn't thin them, hasn't bolted yet. Gorgeous radish. A little bit of chewing from the pill bugs, of course. Let's pull a few more. Yeah, and they're just all in here bunched together. So very exciting. I probably will never thin my radishes again. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So as long as you have the right soil conditions, and this is basically just our homemade compost. I'll often run into all of these nectarine seeds because we compost a lot of nectarines each year, the ones that the darn fig beetles eat. All right, so make sure to subscribe because we're going to start our trial. We love discovering heat tolerant varieties because it is hot in Southern California and we're inland, so it's even hotter. All right, hope you guys enjoy your week and enjoy your garden. Take a bite of one of these. Delicious.